Take it away, I love it. Take it away, be the greatest dreamers. Ay, andiyan ka pala. Nahuli mo ko. Ah! Tara, drawing tayo. Tara, drawing tayo. Hey, my name is Justin Solicio and I am an artist. So today I drew Ariana Grande. Para samahan mo naman ako sa aking pagdodrawing. Balik kasi parang Ariana Grande's movie, yung Wicked for Good, is out now, I suppose. And it's nearing Christmas. I just need to draw Ariana. Kay Ariana Grande ako natutong kumanta sa pakikinig ko sa kanya sa Spotify. And lahat ng pinagdaanan ng boses niya, pinagdadaan ako. So kung sakaling maging sikat man ako na singer somehow, I'll definitely go back to Ariana Grande. And I really love her. I really hope the best for the film, and Ariana really took way too hard on this film, and I hope you like it. And dinrawing ko siya in a style na parang it will convey my emotion right now kasi ang daming mga namatay sa earthquake, floods na nang nakaraan sa Pilipinas, and yung mga corruption sa flood control project, and I hope Ariana likes it. Good luck and bye-bye!